Hello, cosplay world. Let's have a quick look at this shield. It's curved. Ooh. So that's the main gimmick of this shield, is that it's curved. I'm going to go into more rambling in detail about shaping wood and details and using effective use of materials in the extended version over at Final Cosplay Core. I hope you guys check that out. There's awesome cool stuff over there as well. So this is cut out of MDF, that is medium density fiberboard. And I cut out 2 copies of the shield. One is going to be the base of the shield, the other one's going to be the trim and also the backing. It's going to add dimension to our piece. It's also going to give it some support as well. A lot of shields that are flat tend to warp over time. This thing is still, like, I made this, must have been 5 years, a long time ago. Years ago. It's still sitting in my living room and it is totally fine. It's holding its shape and I could use it right now. So this is a good structural build. So the back, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it to the front. I'm going to put screws in one side and I'm going to pull the other side until it's taut. This is going to give it a bit more dimension. And it's going to create, it's going to give it more dimension. Now you see I took ropes off. Those ropes were because overnight what I did was I sprayed it with a bit of water. You see down in the bottom left hand corner? Yeah, there we go. And the water softened up the wood pulp and it dried out and re-solidified, and now it's holding that shape. I don't necessarily need to have the screws in, but the screws are good for support. So yeah, you can spray MDF with with water and leave it overnight in a curve and it will hold its shape. That is basically the synopsis of how that's done. We're going to spray paint it black, then spray paint the details with silver or metal, and then we're going to repaint it black so that it has nice sharp edges as it does in the Undertale game. That's a really striking piece. The details are made of, craft foam. They're just craft foam I cut out and glued to the surface, and then spray painted in after black. Yeah. So we're going to go with this nice shiny metallic silver to contrast this flat black. We're going to obviously varnish the facing so it holds up and has more durability. And then for a grip, we're going to be adding a leather strap here with eyelets and rivets so that it can bear the weight. There it is. You can actually see a bit of screws that I could cover up a bit better. Oh well. Next time, we are going to be making a crown, I believe, or no, Garnet's Fist from Steven Universe. I hope you guys enjoy. Good times to all. If you think this is a lot of videos here on YouTube, you should check out finalcosplaycore.com. There's at least twice as many videos, extended versions, walkthroughs, photographs. Just a ton of stuff. I hope you guys check it out. Good times to all. Rah!